You may think you know your body. You probably know it pretty well. You know its smells, its tastes, the way it feels. But right now, trillions of tiny creatures are living on you and inside you. Some keep you healthy. Others can make you sick, and the balance between them is crucial. Too many bad microbes and you might develop allergies or even depression. But good ones help your brain work better and your immune system stay strong. It's a procedure called fecal microbiota transplantation, and it works by moving healthy microbes from one person to another. One woman with severe eczema has tried everything to get rid of her itchy skin rashes, including 26 rounds of allergy shots. Nothing worked until she got a transplant from a healthy donor. Within a week, her skin cleared up. For most of history, we thought germs caused illness. That's why doctors used to wear masks and gloves while treating patients. But now we know that's not the whole story. At first, it was used to treat a serious intestinal infection. Colds are so common that most of us get them at least once a year. But it's only recently that we've learned how to prevent them. For example, microbes help us digest food, produce vitamins, and protect us from harmful bacteria. Now, we're just beginning to understand the world around us, but we know one thing for sure: microbes are everywhere. They're in the air, the water, and the ground. They're on our skin and in our bodies. In a way, our bodies are walking ecosystems. We carry trillions of microbes with us everywhere we go. There's so much more to learn, and it's up to us to do it. We're a growing family and your support builds something bigger than all of us. We can't live without them. They are part of the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat. But nothing worked until we discovered how to kill the virus. Today, we have vaccines that can protect us against the worst colds. And that's thanks to microbes. They're even inside the clothes we wear. Every time we breathe, eat, or touch something, we're taking in new microbes. Some of them are helpful, like the ones that live in our gut and help us digest food. Others are harmful, like the ones that cause disease. But now it's being studied for other conditions, including allergies, diabetes, and even autism. They influence our health, our behavior, and maybe even our personality. Just think about the last time you ate something that didn't agree with you. You might have felt bloated, gassy, or just plain gross. That's because your microbes were digesting the food differently than normal. Some scientists now believe your gut microbes might affect how you think, how you feel, even how you behave. They are so small you can't see them, but they control more than you imagine. They help digest your food, protect you from illness, and even affect your mood. These microbes thrive in extreme conditions, helping scientists understand how life could have developed on early Earth. Other researchers are studying microbes that live in your gut. They're redeveloping new ways to diagnose and treat diseases by changing the balance of microbes in your body. But it doesn't stop with you. Microbes are everywhere. In the air, in the soil, in the oceans. They are nature's recyclers, breaking down dead plants and animals and returning their nutrients to the earth. And with antibiotics losing power, microbes are evolving faster than we can treat them. That's why researchers are racing to learn more about these invisible creatures. They clean up oil spills, break down toxins, and even help plants grow. Inside your gut, there is a world called the microbiome. It's like a rainforest of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. But there's a darker side. Not all microbes are friendly. Some are dangerous, causing diseases like tuberculosis or staph infections. One team is exploring microbes that live near deep-sea volcanic vents. It sounds like science fiction, but it's not. This is happening right now. Already doctors are transplanting microbes to treat illness. It's a weird idea, but desperate people are trying it. Of course, there are risks. Scientists don't know exactly how the body will react to new microbes. But one thing is clear: microbes are everywhere. We've known about microbes for hundreds of years. But only recently have we begun to understand their importance. In fact, many microbes are beneficial or even essential for life. And those microbes shape who we are. Or remember the last time you got a cold? That was caused by a virus that attacked your respiratory system. For centuries, people tried everything to prevent colds, from drinking hot liquids to gargling with salt water. Because here's the thing about microbes. They're everywhere. And that means that we're constantly exposed to them. The key to staying healthy is to keep the bad microbes under control. And that's what microbes have taught us. And we can't live without them. We've been studying microbes for hundreds of years, but we've only scratched the surface. If this amazed you, please support our journey. A single like or follow helps more than you think.